Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable and how to disable the quick hide window in game function in Realme 14x phone. So first of all we need to go to our settings. Then in settings we need to open accessibility and convenience. Next we need to go to the floating window here and we need to scroll down to quick hide window in game. We have a very short explanation what does this function do. So during a game, tap outside a floating window to hide it at the left or right edge. So we can enable it using this switch right here. It's a simple on or off switch. There are no other hidden options nor menus here. I will turn it off because I don't use it. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.